Hi friends, welcome to codewithsugi YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is the exact difference between while and do while loop. Okay, because this is very important when we go forward and when we try to do some real-time programs, we need to have a good understanding about while and do while. Okay, so in the previous video, we have discussed so many things about while and do while, but I felt like there are some information is missing about while and do while. So that's the reason I'm making this video to clarify all those things. If you are new to our channel and if you are not aware of what we have discussed till date, so you don't need to worry. We always used to add all the links in the description. So you can go ahead and have a look on the previous videos. Fine, let's get into the video. So as I said, we're going to discuss about what is the exact difference between the while and do while. Okay, for that, I'm going to create a class called while do while difference. Okay, I'm going to take a main method from here, then I will say finish. Okay, we have successfully created the class. Fine. Now we all know while will get executed based on the condition, whereas do while first it will execute the do part, then it will check for condition. This is what we have discussed in the previous video as well, right? Fine. So precisely to know more about what is the exact difference between while and do while, I'm going to write a small program over here. Okay, so for that I'm going to take integer I equal to 10. Okay, this is more like whatever we have discussed in the previous video, but at the end of this video you will know why I am taking this example again. Okay, fine. So now I am going to say sysout I value plus I, right? Then what else is missing? We should discuss about increment, right? Fine. So we all know this is post increment. It is equivalent to I equal to I plus 1. This is the shorthand notation of I equal to I plus 1. Fine. The same way, I'm going to take another one variable j equal to 0. Now here I'm going to have a do while loop. Okay, sysout, I'm going to say j value is okay plus j. So as usual we should have the increment or decrement, whatever you want based on the scenario. Fine, I'm going to have j again less than 10. Now I'm going to run this program. In between I will have one sysout for the difference. Okay, so I'm going to have like this. Okay, fine. So now I'm going to run this program to visualize the output. Okay, fine. So I'm going to say run as Java application. Can you able to see any difference between while and do while? No, right? Both while and do while giving the same output. Then what is the exact difference between while and do while? Okay, that's the question which we have, right? Fine. To answer that, now I'm going to say I equal to 11. Then j equal to 11. If both while and do while are working in the same way, then now both has to give no results, right? Because I value is greater than 10. It's not less than 10. The same way j value is greater than 10, not less than 10. So obviously both should not give any result to us. Okay. So with that understanding, we're going to run this program. Unfortunately, we are getting j value as 11. So that means the do while part only get executed while we have the value is greater than 10. From this, now I think you have some idea what is the difference between while and do while. Okay, so as I said earlier, the while loop primarily check for the condition. If the condition is not satisfied, then it will not allow you to go inside and execute the lines. But the do while, first it will execute the operations whatever you have in the do section, then it will check for the condition. So the do operation is started without checking the condition. That's the reason we are able to see the j value as 11 in the output. So now I hope you have some idea, but to visualize more, I'm going to have a debug points over here. Okay, so that we will see really the while loop is working on the condition and the do while is first working on the do part, then it's going for condition or not. That we will get an answer from this debug. Okay, we all know how to debug, right? So you have to click here and you have to select the class. Fine. So I'm going to say while do while diff. We all know Java will do line by line execution. Okay, so obviously it will start from the main method. So it will start from line number 6, then it will end the execution at 25, right? Fine. But unfortunately it skipped the line till 17. Okay, why? Because it started line by line execution only, but the line number 14 having a while condition, and this while condition is returning false. That's the reason it's not get inside of this while. So the condition is not satisfied, so it's get outside of the loop. So automatically from the line number 14 it jumped to line number 18, then it printed the asterisk. After that it started from 19, then do while. At the first time it will not check for the condition, so automatically it will get into the do to execute whatever we have in the do. So that's the reason now it's landed in 20, because we have breakpoint over here. Now I am going to say step over, that is F6. So see, now it's moving to 21, still the j value is 11 only, correct? Okay, now again I'm going to do step over. See, now the j value is incremented as 12. Now it will check for this condition. Okay, here j is 12, but we are expecting 12 less than 10. Obviously this is the false condition, so it has to exit from this do while loop. Now see, so it came out of the do while and it went to the line number 23. So this how while and do while is working. Okay, now I hope you have some good idea about what is the exact difference between while and do while. So still, if you guys have any doubts, please feel free to put your comments in the comment section, so that we will have a look and we will revert back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching our videos. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Keep supporting us. Thank you.